This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I have a different kind of unboxing, and I saw this on Instagram, and I was like, what is this? Why don't I own all of them? And I figured, I need to go buy these. And they're kind of weird because I don't really know what to expect, and I've never heard of these before, but I think the brand's called Hyojo? But anyway, they came out with like these really fun like little plush guys, and they're all food, so obviously I need to get them. So they're available, I think, at Amazon and Walmart, but I got mine at Walmart because Alex found some more cup and noodle flavors that we're gonna try, and that'll be a future video, but they're tragic. They're tragic, that's all I'm gonna say. But I don't know, like my mind was like completely blown, and I wound up getting one of each of the boxes. So you have Reese's little guy, you have Jolly Rancher, you have a little Hostess cupcake, a little blow pop, which blow pop is heavy, little Icee boy, and then you have a little Hershey guy. Basically, it's like a 1 in 3 choice here of what you can get. So I'll put it up on the screen. I'll start with this one. I think they were pretty much like 10 bucks a piece. Maybe the Reese's was like a little bit more. I found them to be affordable, and I was like, oh, this is good. This could be kind of fun. Or completely, I don't know, we'll find out. But I saw this on Instagram. One of the food, I don't know if it was like Marky Devo or Snackalator, one of them posted about this. And I was like, I need to have it. As a kid who grew up in a candy store, this is just my childhood, and I love that for me. So let's start with Hershey. This is cute. I'm gonna put on the screen here all your little options. What I want is, what do I want? Okay, I kind of want, I mean, obviously the ultra rare. I want the ultra rare, obviously. Oh, I like that. It has like a little star, like the common one, which is like the chocolate one. Okay. The rare one is the white chocolate one. And then the ultra rare is strawberry, which is there a Hershey? I don't think there's a Hershey strawberry, is there? I don't think so, but all right, let's see. Let's see if I'm lucky. I think I want ultra rare, but I think what I'm gonna get is pretty much common. So let's see if I'm right. I'd rather have that. I don't want the white one. No whites. There's enough whites, all right? Why did I know that was gonna happen? All right. I got him. I mean, you're cute. You're cute. Okay, there's no, oh, that's creepy. Okay, so like, that's good to know, because I thought, oh, maybe that is the face of the little guy, but no, it's just in the box. That's weird. No card, no nothing. So, all right, whatever. I'm gonna put that over there because I don't want to touch it. It's all crinkly. Okay, listen, he's cute. Did I want him? No, I wanted the chocolate one, but I got a rare one, so that's kind of cool, I guess, right? These are so squishy. Oh, that's fun. That's satisfying. Oh, they're like a little stress toy in a weird way. Okay, we got a white. All right, moving on. Moving on. Let's do Icee. Again, watch me get all the white ones. Racist. I don't like it. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's the ultra, I don't want the ultra rare. Don't give me the ultra rare. So we have the common one, which is the red one, the rare one, which is the blue one, or the ultra rare, which is the white one. I think I want the red one. I want the red one. I feel like that one's gonna be the most pleasing. Or the blue one, I'll take the blue. Red or blue, nothing else. Nothing else. Oh. Yay! I got one that's so common. Nobody cares. Oh, this one's fun because this one is more of like an actual, ooh, okay. So it's like plush. Love that. Little face, plastic. His little feet are plastic. But this kind of reminds me of the thing, and I feel like only maybe 15% of you will get this, so I'll have to put a picture. But this reminds me of the thing that is on, oh God, in Fifth Element, in the guy's head. Is it Gary I think it's Gary Oldman, right? Gary Oldman? It's not Gary Sinise. I think it's Gary Oldman. Oh, I gotta fact check. Is it My Slow Horses? I think it's My Slow Horses. My personal favorite. That's literally what I have in my head. Yeah, it is. Oh, thank God. I felt like a moron. Okay. Wait, what was his name? Actually, you know what's so funny? It's one of my favorite movies, and I actually am like, what the f was his name in that? Because all I know is Corbin Dallas. That's literally, I'm like, all right, Corbin Dallas. And Lilu, yeah. All right, so what the f was his name? Now this is gonna bother me. Great. I have to go now on IMDb. Zorg. Okay, yeah, because it had like John Baptiste. I'm like, John Baptiste, no. So anyway, That was a long walk for nobody. This thing reminds me of his headpiece. I love that. Okay. All right, let's move on. Okay, but that's cute though. I like it. All right, let's do blow pop because that could be fun. This one's also like the heaviest. All right, so here we got, okay, so we have the common, which is the little pink guy, the rare one, which is the red one, or the ultra rare, which is the blue. I want the blue. I want the blue, but I'll be happy with the pink. This one is substantially heavier, so let's see if that means anything. Yay! Oh, this is so fucking good. Oh, sensory-wise, oh, it feels like what I imagine a titty feels like, silicone titty. Not like in the, not like sitting on the operating table. Like I feel like that's what this feels like. Oh my God, that's so cool. Oh, and it kind of looks like a little pig. I love that. Oh, this is so fun. This is cute. I have to say, I think this is probably the cutest one so far. I think the Hershey one is lacking. But this one's so cute and so squishy. Oh my gosh, it's squishy. Okay, this one's fun. All right, your girl got 3 more. I kind of want to do Jolly Rancher, but we're gonna stick with Hostess. We're gonna do Hostess. I kind of wish these were like little yodels or like little ring dings. Oh my God, I would love that. Here we got, ooh, okay. So ultra rare is the little yellow cupcake. Normal is the little chocolate cupcake. And then the rare one is the little pink cupcake. I want the ultra rare because I think that would be fun. But if I don't get it, I'm okay with it. I'll have to deal with that. So I'm okay with any of these. So I think this one's gonna be, I think it's gonna be the pink one. I feel like that's gonna be the theme today. No, it's the chocolate one, but it's okay though because I love him. Oh, look how cute he is. If I had a child. Can I do my Sears portrait studio with him? Like he's over here and I'm just like, I love it. Okay. We got to bring the 80s back. All right. He's super cute. So he's fluffy, plushy in the back, and a little pleathery in the front. So business in the back, business in the front, party in the back. But actually in this case, I mean, I guess, I don't know, it could be both. All right. What the f am I even saying? Let's do this. Jolly Rancher. Ugh. I want the purple one. The purple, the ultra rare one. I think that would be really cute. Common one is blue. Rare is like a pinky guy, it looks like. So I want the purple one. Come on, give me purple. No, it's the red one, which is, it's fine because it's rare. Ah, okay. Also, it's kind of funny because it's red, but it looks like super pink on the box. That's interesting. Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna include any of that sound because I feel like my misophonia brain, I feel like I'm gonna hate it. But like right now, it's kind of satisfying. Instead, listen to this jaunty tune. I like him. Okay, oh, and he has 1 tooth. Oh, too many Jolly Ranchers. Oh, I kind of love that actually. He has like a different face. So the other ones like have their tongue sticking out like fucking weirdos. And my boy, he got 1 tooth. You know? I love that. Makes me think of that David Tell joke. Never trust a man with 1 tooth. Okay. All right, so, or no, never listen to a man with 1 tooth. Anyway, all right, so here I'm excited because Reese's, it's probably my favorite thing out of all of these little guys. And I want the ultra rare. I do not want the rare because the rare is the white one. We don't want the white one. We want either the chocolate one or I want like the peanut butter one. I really want the ultra rare so badly. I really hope it's the ultra rare. Come on, please. All right, let's see if I'm good. Today is a good day. Oh, yes, this is the one that I wanted. All right. Again, he has 1 tooth. It's my child. Okay. I have too much energy. I have to go to work. I am hyping myself up right now, okay? Because otherwise it is a boring place. Oh my God, look how fabulous he is. You are the gold. You know what's so funny? I just thought he was peanut butter. I didn't realize he was like gold. Okay, oh, I love you. I love you so much. Okay, so all right, if I had to rate them, number 1, straight up, number 1. Number 2, this is fun. This purely for just doing this. Love that. Then I guess it would go to, I mean, I do like Zorg's head over here. This is last. It's last. I don't care about that one. Okay, wait. So that's 1, that's 2. I want to say, you know what, Jolly Rancher, just because of the 1 tooth. I really love that. Then I would say it's probably Zorg, because I do like the plastic head. And then I guess it would be him, because listen, he's cute, but like, who gives a fuck, right? It's a Hostess cupcake, all right? And then you have him, which again, he's super cute, but he's last. So that's how I would rank him. I feel good. I feel confident about that. And I don't think I'm actually going to partake in any more of these, because I feel like I got what I deserved. I feel like, you know what? I got what I deserved. I'm okay with that. This is so cool. I love this one. Oh, it's so good. Yes, I got the gold one. Oh, I feel superior. And that's really, at the end of the day, what matters is how I feel, and I feel superior. Oh my God. Okay. I swear I'm not drunk. Work sucks, y'all. So if I don't pep myself up like this, it's gonna be a bad time for everybody. Oh, I love you. Okay. I'm happy with what I got. I don't think I'm gonna continue this series. And I think you'll see these peppered into the background now. To the end of time, yay! Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have collected anything from Hyojo. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but have you ever collected anything from this? And would you get these? You should. Listen, live in whimsy, all right? Everything's on fire. Get something and squish it. Be happy, all right? Just get something. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.